All right, guys, this is going to be a quick and simple video. I'm just going to take apart the Twinkly Pro Music dongle, and we're going to see what's in it. Appears to just be held together by 10 screws. Now, I've heard rumors of what's in here, but this is what we're going to confirm. The rumor is that it's actually just a Raspberry Pi 4. And if that's true, I don't really have a real use for this device. So I might repurpose it as a Pi. As some of you know, you can run Falcon Player off of a Pi. And I'm really interested to see if this is a Pi inside, if it has the video output on it, because that would be super useful. Let's pull some screws out here. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, so for any of you wanting to know more information about the music dongle, it's designed to hook into a outdoor speaker, and it's controlled bits like a standard power supply. Just has a standard coax input, and it receives the music sent to it over the internet. It takes a Ethernet hookup, and it's supposed to store it locally and then play the music back while your sequence is playing. I suppose it's good for what it's designed for. Personally, I don't have enough pro devices to make that useful to me. I just have enough to do one tree with. But this was sent to me, and that's an opportunity for a disassembly video. I'll say one thing. One thing I don't like about the way Twinkly has set up their website is it's absolutely not obvious at all. Oh yeah, look at that. There's a bunch of unused ports right there. There's a output port. It's definitely a Pi. Got more screws to take off though. And then there's a SD card. Looks like it has a power daughter board for power. And then the rest of this is just a Pi, and then there's a reset button on it. Yep, it's the reset button. It's probably a circuit breaker for the power supply. It's pretty common. If it got water or something in it, it would pop that circuit. All right. Actually, I don't see an obvious way to take that off that daughter board. At least not right now. But I think it would be really cool if you could leave it in the case. So this is going to which wire? Okay, that's the output. So evidently they have hardwired the output instead of using the plug. Probably get better luck that way. And then let's pour those wires off. Looks like the board is only held on with the header, one screw. So let's take that screw out. And see if it actually is just a normal Pi. All right. Now we'll look at here. Ethernet, 2 USB 3 ports, 2 USB 2 ports. If I was to guess, because I'm not super familiar with all the ports on these things, I would say that at least one of these is micro HDMI. Oh yeah, it says right there, HDMI. So you could definitely repurpose this if you wanted to. Well, there you have it, guys. There's the breakdown of the Twinkly Music dongle. It's definitely a Pi 4. And you could, I mean, we got everything here. We got power supply, replaceable memory card, and USB. You could definitely turn this into a show player and just like use this other port on the front that's not used and pass through video to it. There's a sealed plug right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.